Welcome, welcome, silver stackers, gold stackers, bullion. Welcome to today's talk because this is an amazing price alert. Now, gold to silver ratio hitting 105 to 1 is an amazing momentum. And do you think that silver is about to 5x from what it is today? Can you imagine the results from that? Now, I'm going to be talking to you today about how to look out for this, what the signals are, for example. So welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what I feel and from what the experts are saying as well regarding the silver. Okay, so let's dive in, shall we? So first of all, welcome to my channel, for example. I'm Christine Crowell and I am living in Cyprus, sunny Cyprus, and really I am really an enthusiastic person that is a silver stacker as well as gold stacker as well. And I'm really here to build wealth for my legacy and to help to grow the channel as well, and to help other silver gold stackers as well grow their wealth, grow their legacy, for example. So let's break this down. So the gold to silver ratio is sitting at an insane 105 to 1 ratio. So what does that mean? Could silver actually 5x from here where we are today? Could gold reach 12,000? Some experts are predicting this if the ratio changes, for example. So let's get into it. So imagine right now, for example, so right now the gold is at, when I looked earlier, it was at 3,400, for example. Silver was at 32.76. And I'm just going to quickly have a look now so that we're getting a live update. So silver is currently at 30 because, you know, I believe that silver is the dark horse. I believe that silver is like the tortoise that is winning the race, for example. Gold currently is at $3,280.40. So let's get back into this. So now that you know what the live rates are as of today, which is the 23rd of April, it is just after 2 p.m., for example, US time. So the silver daily gain is at the current moment is 3%, for example. So that is a sharp move. So a 3% spike in one day is really showing the real momentum of silver. Historically, the average ratio is around 3.1, but this is 3.3, for example. So the average ratio is around 63 to 1. So over the last 50 years, that means right now silver is undervalued. So do you think that silver is going to catch up soon? Drop a chat in, drop a comment in the chat, for example, about if you're stacking right now, is it gold, silver, or maybe you're doing both, for example. So let me just go through the historical ratio highlights for you here. So let me take you back. Okay, so ancient Rome, the ratio was 12 to 1. In the 20th century, for example, it was averaged at 47 to 1, for example. In 2011, the silver boom ratio hit 30 to 1. In 2020, in 2020, the pandemic, for example, the spike was 125 to 1. Now, late 2024 stabilized around 82 to 1, for example. Now, today it's at 105 to 1. It's extremely rare. This is a sign. I always talk about patterns, history repeating itself. We got to look for these patterns and study in these markets because there's a pattern. It's really strange, isn't it, how history does repeat itself. And silver has really surged back fast right now, and especially after the spikes. So since 1971, for example, when the US fully abandoned gold standard, for example, we've seen major gold bull markets, for example. So let's look at this. 1970s, the bull market, gold soared from $35 to $850 per ounce. By 1980, can you imagine? That's a 2,300% increase. 2000 bull market. The gold rose from 250 to 1,900. So that's from 2001, it was $250, and 2011 it was $1,900. So that's a 660% gain. So today's hallmark of any major bull market, if gold makes another 5 to 10x move, for example, what happens to silver? History suggests that it will even go further. So let's break this down. Let's look at these scenarios here. So what do you think might happen next?